So of course we know that if you get millions of views or you have a huge audience, that you can actually make pretty good money on YouTube. But what do you do if you have a small channel or you're just starting out? In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down 5 practical ways to make money on YouTube, even if you have a small audience or channel, and also share some advanced tips. Coming up. Hey, what's up influencers? Sean here with Video Influencers, help you build your influence, income, and impact with online video. And Benji and I just finished up a deep dive YouTube masterclass, and one of the parts of that training has been getting a ton of positive feedback. And so we wanted to post it here on YouTube and share that with you now. And it's specifically about 5 specific strategies for building your income on YouTube if you have a small audience and a small channel or you're just starting out. Now, you may have heard some of these strategies before, but I believe that in this training, you're gonna learn some advanced tips and maybe some case studies and some creative ideas that you've never thought of before. So let's dive into the training right now to get these tips. But let's get into strategy number 2, which is revenue. You know, we talked about how to grow your audience. That first tip's gonna help you do that. This is gonna help you grow your income. And we wanted to specifically go through 5 ways to earn $500 plus with YouTube. Now, you've heard maybe some of these before, maybe you haven't, but we have some good case studies and illustrations. And we're gonna be talking about YouTube ads, we're gonna be talking about affiliate marketing, brand deals, merchant products, and crowdfunding, and give you some actionable stuff. And so if you're saying, you know, how do I make this sustainable? Because, you know, we need money to fund the mission. And you should never be ashamed of that, right? If you want to turn your creativity into a career, you have to figure out how to monetize. And one of the ways to do that is with YouTube ads. The problem is right now, and this is mostly in the US, so even international, this is typically a little bit lower, is that you get usually $2 per 1,000 video views, and that's called a CPM. So if your goal was to get $500 on YouTube, you would need 250,000 views. And if you wanted to get $500 like a month, you would need to at least get at least that many views a month. Now CPMs vary and there's lots of variables, but just gives you some basic math. And so for instance, this video that Benji and I did got 222,000 views. Now we'll tell you about this tool a little bit later, but vidIQ will give you an estimated earnings of anybody's video, including other people's channels. That's not really super accurate because our CPM is more like $5. So this video is made between $400 to $600. But the key strategy, if you want to figure out how to build your income with YouTube ads, is you just need a lot of views. And so that is actually why this is our least favorite way of making money on YouTube. We have to share it. It could be helpful, it could be a bonus, but we want to dive into just some better strategies. And so the second one is affiliate marketing. This is basically what affiliate marketing is. You sign up for an affiliate program, just like say Amazon Associates, and then you can get a custom link that you put in your YouTube description. And then when visitors click on that link, you can make money. It's as simple as that. So if you recommend a beauty product or technology or a pet product or clothing, I mean, anything, if there is something that exists in the world, there's probably an affiliate program for it. And so this is Jabin, and he's got a barbecue channel. And so here's a good example, right? You type in barbecue accessories, and he has this ranked video that he is doing affiliate marketing on. And I just caught up with Jabin. You know, he puts out a video like this, talks through his favorite barbecue accessories. There's links in the description to the affiliate marketing. And here's some of his results. And so this was 12-month results for him, but mind you, from scratch, basically. His channel is about a year old. So far he's in Canada. He's done over $500 a little bit on Amazon. He's done $100 on other affiliate programs, and then he's done AdSense. So that's not bad too, right? We talked about YouTube ads, 842. And he's also got a few $1,000s in free products. Now, of course, we have to say on this masterclass that these results or anything else, any other results we share, you know, these results are not typical. They take hard work and action, and then we use them for illustrative purposes, not a promise of what you can earn, because the reality is sometimes people take information. You have to take action to get the results. And here's a power tip, and this is for affiliate marketing in general. Amazon actually just added a new one link feature, so you can start monetizing multiple different countries through one link. There's a few other services that do this as well. And so this is a progression that's really big in affiliate marketing right now, you know, because you have an international audience, especially on YouTube. And so look into one link if you're already doing Amazon, and look into expanding into basically smart links, which helps you. What it does is it decides what store like people are coming from, and then it just takes them to the correct store internationally. And it's not just Amazon that's doing this. So let's dive into number 3 as far as a practical way of generating $500 a month. And one is crowdfunding. Now, you probably heard about this before. It's like Patreon. And a great example of somebody who's a part of our advanced training and private group is Justin Coe with That Christian Vlogger. And so he's been building up his channel, and he launched a Patreon, and he has over 57 people supporting him. Now, this didn't happen overnight. And I think that's the key here, to always lead with value first. He built up his authority, built up, trust. He added tons of value to people. But then eventually he was able to surpass even that $500 mark as a base of just support, so that, again, money could fuel his mission, which is, based on his faith and really changing people's lives and making a difference in the world. And so crowdfunding is a great way. Another way is merchant products. And so I asked in our group recently, I said, hey, what are some of the products you guys have? One person's got a journal on Amazon. Justin has his own shirts, That Christian Vlogger, right? So he's got his own t-shirts. Jabin from the barbecue, he has his own barbecue rub. So, have you ever thought about creating merch or products around your niche or your brand? Tim has oil paintings, and he does custom oil paintings and watercolor paints for people on his channel and people who connect with him on YouTube. So this could be t-shirts, accessories, digital products, art, creative stuff, music, selling songs on iTunes or anywhere, coaching, freelance services, so many different ways to do merch and to do product. And one cool site for this is merch.amazon.com. And so there's a lot of different ones, Teespring, but this is kind of a hot new one. All you got to do is upload your artwork, set your price, they print it, they ship it, and you get the royalties. And so something simple like this to build your income. And then the last one is brand deals. And this is like creating videos for companies and brands in exchange for the and one myth is that you have to have a huge audience for this stuff to happen. But here's a great example from Heather, but she also is a new YouTuber, pretty brand new, has not been doing YouTube for very long. And she's doing the homeschooling niche now. A while ago, because before she's even where she was today, these results are from a while ago. In just 8 months, she grew 2,500 subscribers, 85,000 channel views, and only 15 videos. So not bad, but did you catch this? It's not very big, right? Still kind of relatively small. A little bit of monthly income with YouTube and affiliate, but she got a brand deal with a homeschool curriculum company that first they comped the product that her and her family would have had to pay for anyways, right? Because they do that every year, expensive curriculum. So she gets $1,100 in free product plus $3,600 to do a brand deal, reviewing that product and sharing it with her audience as they go through
Big
it.
Deal. Big deal.
And then she also gets 10% affiliate commissions on top of putting that out there simply because of doing a brand deal. And the question is, do only big channels get this? And so the answer is no, right? Forbes, 82% of people are likely to follow a micro influencer's recommendation, which proves you don't need to rely on huge mega influencers to advocate for your brand. So there's like a revolution right now of micro influencers, which to define that simply, it means like YouTubers with small channels or smaller Instagrammers. And here's the power tip is YouTube income stacking. What we always recommend is not that you do just one of these, but that you stack them all. So when you stack YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, crowdfunding, your own merchant products, your own brand deals, and actually many, many more income strategies like that, even little amounts in each category, is how you could begin to transition faster to go part-time, side income, or even full-time. So what you just saw was just a small part of the entire YouTube masterclass that Benji and I just did. And if you actually want to see the entire thing, it's available for a very limited time, and we'll link that in the description below, as well as on the YouTube card. On this masterclass, we cover not just how to build your income, but also how to grow your audience quickly, as well as some advanced tips on ranking your videos in search and a lot of other cool stuff. So if you want to check that out, again, link in the description below or on the YouTube card. Question of the day, have you tried any of these 5 income generating strategies, or is there another strategy that you specifically like for building your income on YouTube? Post those in the comments below, and remember that some of the best tips and feedback come from you, the video influencers community, so definitely connect with everybody in the comments section. So thanks so much for checking out this video. To check out the free masterclass, you can just click on the screen here or in the description below, and if you want to check out some other videos, you can check those out here as well. Until next time, Video Influencers is helping you build your influence, income, and impact with online video. Keep crushing it, and we will talk soon.